Welcome back. Well, after a little bit of a respite from the Arctic air, well, it's coming back in, and you can see the very cold temperatures up across the northern plains into Canada. But this time around, you don't see minus 20 or 30 degree temperatures. It's the same air mass that's been circulating across the Canadian prairies, but is modified over the last couple of days. But we have a front on the way, and that is going to return some chilly temperatures and some hard freezes again tomorrow night, also for Saturday night. After that, it looks awfully mild for the last week of January, heading into the first week of February. We won't talk about Mardi Gras quite yet. First off, though, let's take a look at the fog situation that has developed during the course of this evening. Temperatures and dew points are married together as we have that warm, moist Gulf of Mexico air meeting up with the cooler air aloft, and thus we're seeing that air condense, and some visibilities down to 1.25 miles. It's down to 0 at Grand Chenier, so some thick fog across the coastal parishes. Thus, we do have a fog advisory in effect for portions of Acadiana, but it's all going to blow out of here quickly as we have a strong cold front on the way. Winter weather off to the north of us and to the south. Here's the frontal boundary where you see those lines of equal pressure kind of packed together, and that's the beginning of our northwest wind. So whatever fog we have out there is going to blow out pretty quickly. Now, not a whole lot going on the radar that we can detect. Can't see that fine mist. That's basically 100% humidity, but we had a few sporadic lighter showers rolling through the area during the course of this evening that the radar is picking up on, and we see some of those showers down toward Iberia Parish, St. Mary Parish right now. But again, just kind of wet, damp roads, plus the ground is so cold and the air got mild today, and with that 100% humidity, we're seeing that pavement sweat, and that's always the yucky part about winter and coming out of winter and heading towards spring, and we'll see more of that in the weeks and months ahead. So we do have a dense fog advisory in effect for the I-10 parishes of Acadiana on southward only through 4 a.m. and I think our visibilities will improve by then, so the fog will be out of here by daybreak tomorrow. We do have a freeze watch in effect for tomorrow night. I-10 parishes on northward, a hard freeze watch. As for temperatures getting back down into the low to mid 20s, maybe not down so along the coast. So here comes the front barreling on through. It turns windy and colder tomorrow. Temperatures lower 40s, but chills mostly in the 30s to lower 40s tomorrow. And temperatures may have a hard time getting out of the 40s in spite of sunny skies tomorrow afternoon. Tomorrow night, that's when the cold air settles in. And as we head into Saturday, we don't see temperatures getting out of the 40s and once again dropping down into the 20s for Sunday morning. Then we shift gears and go in the opposite direction. It gets milder. We start to see rains developing. This is Monday night into Tuesday, then more rains Tuesday into Wednesday, then more rains Thursday into Friday. You kind of getting the idea here, and the models are kind of in unison indicating that we're going to get a fairly big soaking. Now, this is not all going to come at one point. This is accumulation over the next 10 days. It's mainly Monday night through the following weekend, but a 4 to 6 inch rainfall will be possible. And then you look at the GFS model, and it's awfully exciting about some very heavy rainfall, the possibility of more than 4 to 6 inches of rain. So we'll just take this for right now, keep an eye on it, and watch the trends. We'll have more on this tomorrow and the days to come. But in the near term, it's temperatures tomorrow morning, mid to upper 30s. Wind chills in the northern parishes down to about 30 or so. Will favor lower 40s I-10 corridor with wind chills in the mid 30s, and the same across the coastal parishes. And then we don't warm up a whole lot tomorrow, mostly in the 40s during the course of the day, may get up into the lower 50s. Then tomorrow night we head down into the mid to upper 20s, and those wind chills back down into the teens. So overnight tonight, 43 the low. The fog will blow out of here by daybreak tomorrow morning, so no issues with that unless you're traveling in the next few hours. And then tomorrow it's going to be a blustery, breezy day, some clouds in the morning, but we clear out in the afternoon, upper 40s to lower 50s, and winds quite gusty up to 30 to 35, but less than what we saw a couple of days ago. As we move ahead, winter through the weekend, then it's spring and the threat of heavy rainfall on any given day or night as we go through next week. So that's what we'll be watching more closely, as we could have flood issues returning to Acadiana. That's it for weather for now. We're going to have more coming up right after the break.